everyone, this is Lana, realtor investor. Today and answer questions about being a landlord and how to manage tenants. I got a lot of questions about this one, how to manage, how to screen. I'll send you a link to the tenant and you can sign for this software. It's free for landlords. You don't need to pay for anything, and when you sign using this link you will get $50. It says like this on their website. And then you register here and screen your tenants, sign, of course create account, screen your tenants, and tenant pay their fee, application fee, and then you choose what tenants is better, screening, criminal or reports, work history, housing history, and of course if they have eviction you can screen and find out. So let me know if you have any questions, and because a lot of people who are landlords, we don't know how to screen properly, what program to use, what software, with a lot of money, but this program is for free. So let me know if you're interested to get more details. Subscribe to the channel, give like to this video, and use this program link will be in the description. Thank you.